Local restaurants are doing their part in making sure residents get their fill of turkey and stuffing this Thanksgiving. Plain Jane's and Vito's too are offering free Thanksgiving dinners to Ohio Valley residents. Dawn Zulo, owner of Plain Jane's, has been doing this for 5 years now with the help of her family, friends, employees, and people in the downtown Steubenville community. With their help, the dinner continues to grow each year.
To benefit the people in the downtown community, they patronize our restaurant all year, and this is our opportunity to give back.
Preparation began Tuesday and continued this morning with some final touches. Plain Jane's received donations of turkeys and vegetables, as well as pastries from Aubrey's Bakery. Dinner was served from 2 until 5 today. On the other side of the river at Vito's 2 in Follansbee, a Thanksgiving buffet was offered from 11 this morning until 5. This is only their second year doing it, but they see themselves doing this every year in the future.
To give back a little bit to the community and the way the economy is in our area. People have a hard time getting a good turkey dinner for Thanksgiving.
Owner of Vito's, Skip Cutrone, told me that they will be serving around 700 people, including deliveries, reservations, and walk-ins. The vast amounts of food served came from donations from businesses and residents in the community. All of the monetary donations made went to the Follansbee Reach Food Bank. Throughout the day, Vito's had around 50 people volunteer their time to make sure customers had a pleasant Thanksgiving dinner experience. Both owners believe without all the generous donations from surrounding communities, none of this would be possible.
It's amazing that if you do something, it inspires somebody and then they're called into action. So we really believe it's a positive part of our community.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Reporting in Follansbee for 7 News, I'm Sarah Yingling.